The world is not just what we see. The senses keep us asleep, not allowing to see who we really are. When we turn the attention inwardly and work with vital energy, we have the chance to explore the fundamental force of life and become one with it. Nei Qi Gong is not just to achieve some superpowers and demonstrate them. That is just a natural consequence of the practices that we do. It is a system to free ourselves and build a stable platform from where we can experience life in a better way. We all want to come back home. We all want to be healthy, peaceful and strong. That is our true nature when we wake up from this beautiful dream called life and optimize ourselves to a higher degree.